This project is IoT based vehicle parameter monitoring system. Here hardware connections are Arduino and its daughter board along with power supply 16:2 LCD display. Wi-Fi module ESP8266 connected to Arduino UART port. Here LM35 temperature sensor MQ2 sensor connected to Arduino analog pins. Level sensor and buzzer connected to Arduino digital pins respectively. Now power on this. Here we have our own server designed according to our requirement. Initially we have to create hotspot in our mobile with the name of IOT server and password is IOT server 123. Now we have to open hotspot settings. We can see here network name IoT server and password IoT server 123. Save. Mobile should have internet through the SIM. Now we can log in server application in this URL. Here URL is project factory server.in using username and password. Username is IoT20 and password IoT20. We can name it this according to our requirement. In this URL, we can open it in our mobile or laptop. Here we can see project factory server.in and it is asking username and password. Username IoT20 and password IoT20. On LCD, we can see T for temperature, M for MQ2 sensor and fuel level empty. Whenever level changes from one level to another level, then it uploads the data to server. And also, for every 40 seconds, 3 sensors data uploading into server. We can see data in table format. Also, we can see level data in graphical format. Here, U means data uploaded into the server. Here we have 3 levels, level empty, level 1, level 2 and level full. Level 1, level 2, level full. We have to refresh this page. We can see here temperature value MQ2 level with respect to date and time. Now we have to switch to graph view.